Hi, beautiful people, and thank you for being here today with me. You are a miracle, and what just happened is a miracle. It's not the first one. If you're here, you've been through attacks, spiritual warfare, envy and jealousy your entire life. You know the process. You also know that it cannot kill you. You're such a survivor. You always made it. You always found a way to rise deeper. This one was extreme because the full moon on December 4th is a super moon. It's the last of 2025, and for that reason they tried to once again separate yourself from source through fears. Your intuition, your heart space knows the truth, the way, always. For that reason, you might be some days to recover from these vicious I'm hearing black magic modalities. But this is just to remember that as a magician, you have all the tools, necessary tools to transmute, alchemize the darkness into light. This is your unique mission through your Kundalini. Sacred fire, sacred serpent, fire, sacred serpent, fire. You have the chance to burn and transmute your traumas, what it is that is stalking you, allowing the flow of life to bring you what it is that you truly want. See, I have a gift. I'm telling you, you're extremely gifted. You starseed out there, remember your magic. I am here to help you remember your magic. Because I cannot heal you, no one can, but I can help you remember what are your gifts, your talents, and your abilities. This is treasure check. Treasure check. Your gift, talents, and abilities are going to help you unlock your abundance and your wealth. When confirmation that you're on the right path always and that you're unstoppable. This is just a beautiful confirmation that you have been designed by the Most High, because you're chosen to accomplish something extremely big. And this is just a confirmation that you're so close to achieve it. I am personally working on my life purpose. I am about to birth something that do not make everybody happy. I'm about to birth a healing platform that is going to change the world. I am about to birth a program that is going to change your life for the best, to align you with your highest timeline by removing traumas out of your cellular system, repairing your DNA, and activate your Kundalini. For that reason, I've been targeted like you. So you might be currently working on a very powerful project, and please don't pay attention. Do not react. Only surround yourself with the highest light, the diamond light, Mother Mary light, the dragon of Mary Magdalene light, the diamond opalescent light, invoking Archangel Metatron and surrounding you with tiny little golden Merkaba all around you, uplifting your system, no matter what the circumstances are, uplifting your entire energetic system. Now, because you always rise above the darkness, unifying yourself, becoming one again with the creation day. And the way tutto como era. Porueyo no no kua e titikirini a shasha kuanta ta 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 deyak. Ni aya natuna nunu ya Tinina Yatoko, Tinina Ekoto. Yeah, this was a little frequency to ground you. Because when you're grounded, you can escape the darkness, the snakes. This was a little frequency to help you transmute the snakes, and I hope it helps. Yeah. Transmute with the sacred fire, and here it was the sacred fire from Atlantis with the crystal of Atlantis. You have the power to transmute, and if you do not know how to do it, I am here on this planet to help you transmute the traumas, the doorway for darkness to penetrate your soul system. Timing is good. The divine timing is right. Your wealth is going to be revealed to you. Here I have softness. This is only with the power of love and softness that your abundance is going to flow to you. Not when you resist, not when you force, but only when you detach and you trust. When you're balanced, your abundance will find you. When you're grounded into your love space. Purification. Be ready for a purification with this full moon. You're so loved. You're so cherished. And until next time, Namaste.